Hello everyone, we'll be taking a cake and then draw the lines over it like this. Draw different lines and petals with the help of the pink cream like this and make the flowers on the top. Make few more as such and put the petals one by one like this as shown in the video and draw the dots with the white color cream. Make its leaves using green color cream like this and it's ready. Next, put the pink color dots like this using the cream. Now spread it with the spatula on the upward section like this. Spread it carefully as shown in the video. Now press it like this on the top again with the lighter shade of pink and repeat the process till the top. Now at the end, put the strawberries in the between and it's ready. Next, draw the lines over the cake like this with the help of a stick or spatula. Now on the lines, fill the white color cream like this. Now after filling the cream, we'll be putting the dots for the making the leaves like this. Now make some flowers using red color cream on the top of it. Put some white flowers as well like this and it's ready. Next, take a cake and put the pink color lines and liquid on the sides of the cake. Put the liquid like this. Now put the white color cream in the wavy way like this. Draw the wavy lines on the bottom section as well. Now after that, fill the strawberries in the between and it's done. Next, put the pink color dots in the between of the cake and then spread it with the spatula. Now draw the white lines and then over it, we'll be making the petals like this of the flowers. Make the petals and put the yellow color cream in the between and then make the green color leaves on the sides like this. Fix it and it's ready. Next, take a cake and draw the blue color dots on the sides of it like this. Now put the pink and green color lines and use different colors of your choice to draw the lines on the sides of it. Draw the blue, green, yellow and different colors of your choice and make the light over it and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.